Hey, I'm at the supermarket. Do you need anything? Hey, I'm glad you called. Yes, I need some dairy products. Dairy products. What's that? Dairy, like milk, butter, cheese, and so on. Okay. Anything else? And could you also get some cold cuts? Cold cuts. Cold cuts like smoked ham, sausages, you know? Huh. Yeah, I saw something that says cold cuts and charcuterie. Super. And I also need, there's more, one ripe avocado and unripe bananas. Ripe? Yeah, when it's ready to be eaten, like it's soft. Okay. And unripe bananas, they're green, like not ready to be eaten yet. Okay, so ripe avocados, but unripe, like green bananas. And I also need some snacks, a candy bar. I think I'm my hello voice. Can you hear me? I think it's poor connection. More and snacks. Excuse me. Where can I put the? Are you looking for a shopping cart? No, not a shopping cart. It's too big. I need small. You mean the shopping baskets? Yes, a shopping basket. Where can I find one? They are by the checkout. The checkout? The checkout. At the end where you go to pay, that's the checkout. Yeah, you'll find them there. Where I pay is checkout. Thank you. Excuse me again. I can't find all Pepsi Cola, Fanta. Are you looking for soft drinks? Yes, I'm looking for soft drinks. It's that aisle over there. Aisle? Aisle? Like there are many aisles? Yes, of course. I was there, but I didn't see it. Well, that's because it's on the top shelf. There are shelves, and it's on the top shelf. I'm sure it's there. Oh, shelf. It's on the top shelf. Okay. Yeah, I can't pay with card. It says the password is wrong. Oh, you mean you forgot the PIN? Sorry, the PIN is wrong. Do you accept cash? Yeah, of course, you can pay in cash. I have a 100 euro bill. You mean you want me to break 100? Sorry, I don't have enough cash to break 100. I can also pay cash. I have a lot of, give me all your coins. Yes, coins. Okay, 50 cents, 50 more. Oh, wait, I think that's 5 euros. Excuse me, I would like to give this back. Oh, you would like to return that? Yes, I want to return it. Yeah, no problem. Just put it on the belt. Put it on the... Like this? On my belt? The belt? Oh, you mean the other belt, of course. Sorry. By the way, I don't have the paper that said that I bought it. Oh, you don't have your receipt? Yes, I don't have the receipt. Sorry, ma'am. I cannot take it back. Okay.